Sabadi. Hi everyone. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a chicken or okay, that's a Lao dish. It's very popular in my country. You know, I eat this all my life and it's my favorite food. So it's my dad's favorite food. So I'm really good with this. So I'm gonna share with you guys, okay? So let me introduce you to my ingredient. I have a chicken, okay? This chicken and then this lemongrass, kaffir lime leaf, and this is galangal, garlic, and shallot, pepper, like chili pepper and dry pepper, okay? And this is chicken flavor. I have salt there, and this is the rice, okay? It's the rice like you cut like grilled rice powder, like you cut like grill them like lightly, and then you make it like a powder. Vegetable oil and fish sauce, and then this is, you know what it is? It's a padek. So of course it's padek in there, okay? My favorite Lao food cannot be good without padek, and I love padek. It's so good. You have to know how to cook, and then you love it, okay? Anyway, and let me see my vegetable. I have a long green bean, and then eggplant. See, this is eggplant, and this is Dill, and this is the color bok choy. It's color green like bok choy. I love the flower. Yeah, this is the vegetable that's gonna go with my soup today. So, okay, let me go ahead and get started, okay? So, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and use this. Lemongrass first. You have to smack the hot one first, okay? So, lemongrass is the hot one. Dry pepper, and then we're gonna go ahead and put galangal in, and then I also slide the kaffir lime leaf a little bit, make it small like that, okay, and then put it in here also, and my garlic. Put all my garlic there and all the pepper. And then I cut my shallot. See? Okay, that's look perfect right here. See? Look perfect. Now I'm gonna go ahead and turn on my pot, make it hot, and then I go ahead and put the vegetable oil in. So when you grill this, ooh, your neighbor gonna love it. They're gonna smell it too. My neighbor always call me, say, "Hey, what you cook today?" I tell them, "Oops, spicy soup." I have a great neighbor, so they always share food. Okay, here we go. Testing, make sure it's hot. Ooh, that's perfect. Oh yeah, look at that color. And I like to go ahead and put some salt in because it's kind of like help the smell a little bit, control it a little bit. That's about right, and then you want to go ahead and put your chicken in. This chicken is organic, okay? So they take a little bit longer to cook. The meat is more like tough a little bit, you know. But they give very good flavor. Chicken flavor in there. Salt. Throw my whole galangal in. Whole galangal leaf. That's you. That's my cameraman. Feel bad for him, you know. Okay, so I go ahead use I always boil my hot water on the side whenever I'm ready to add on because my chicken is not 100% cooked, right? So I always have to boil the water like this. When I put my water in is hot, okay? So I don't put the cold water in there. See, it's ready to boil it. Okay, so always have hot water on the side like that. Okay. Then, like I said, this chicken is a little tough, so I'm gonna leave it about 25 minutes to 30 minutes, and then I check, make sure it's cooked, and then I put my vegetable in later. Okay. Just leave like this. It's cooked for a little while. Okay, my chicken is already cooked. Now I'm gonna go ahead and cut the eggplant and put my eggplant in. Gonna divide into 4 pieces. The reason I put the eggplant in, Eggplant is take a little bit time to cook than the vegetable, okay? So we want to go ahead and put the eggplant, and then after that we're gonna follow with the long bean. If you already have cut, sometimes some people love to cut. They all can put in the same time, but I like to cut at go like that, okay? Do however you comfortable in your own kitchen. So make it fun. I love long bean. It's so good. So what I do, I just cover up a few minutes to let the green bean and eggplant soft. And after that, we're gonna follow with the vegetable, okay? And now let's go ahead and cut my vegetable. We have Dill. I'm gonna go ahead and put in here. It's nice and clean. Okay, I'm gonna let this pot cook too, okay? Take longer to cook on this one. Oops, sorry. And now I'm gonna go ahead and use Padek. Okay, the reason I wait for until everything done because I cook out. In the house, so I don't want my house to be smell too spicy or strong. Okay. Now I follow with the rice powder. What the rice powder do is kind of like give the soup more like creamy and flavor of like rice. Smell really good. Oh. So I'm gonna close a few more minutes. That's of my vegetable in. Everything. Oh, this thing smells good. So I go ahead turn off my heat when I put the rest of the vegetable in, okay? Because the heat in here will cook that vegetable. And when you put the green vegetable in, you don't want to be overcooked. See all the eggplant and the green bean all together. It looks so nice, beautiful. Okay. In my bowl, let's see what happened here. Wow, looks so good and it smells good too. So over you guys over here, look at that. Is it good or what? So you kind of put that together. Eggplant going on here. Yes. Chunk of the chicken leg. That's what they call Orr-Kai แล้ว Okay. Thank you for watching. I see you next video, okay?